Alright, cool. So we're live. Looking out for any trading opportunities on gold. At the moment, I feel like we're not gonna get any. Where the market is at right now, obviously it's at a low point. Possibly could be looking out for some buys. But if we're gonna look out for buys, cool. Gonna need to market to show some reversal patterns. But at the moment, we're definitely in a downtrend on gold. Where it is now, it's hard. Yeah, where it is right now, just gonna have to wait. So ideally, what I would look now, so price look like it's gonna have a retracement. I will need price to push back up to these areas here. So if price can push back up to the 440 area, then we'll be look to take some buys. I mean shorts. So find a trend line. Cool. I'll be honest with you, this is looking like a buy. Yeah. You know what? It could be the end of this downtrend, you know. Just the way this candlestick is closing, I'm actually gonna see. It is risky to go for a buy. It's a bit too aggressive. See, that put ratio is not really good. I don't really like that. We'll be risking. That's not bad. Alright, cool. Gonna go in for a buy on gold. It's a bit. This trade is risky though. I'll be honest with you, it is very risky. But going for a buy. No, let's wait. Well, let's wait. Don't see. Just about to. Just about to put that position for close. But the way the next candlestick is, the way the sellers is taking control of that candlestick, I don't really like it. You know what? We are going to go for buys. I need price to break this above that level. Just to be sure. Looking out for break above this level. Actually, you know what? This level here is much better. Alright. Cool. If we are going to go for buys, I need price to close above our temporary resistance level and break the trend line. Also, we might need to watch out is for our orange EMA as well. Alright, so it's just a waiting game right now, but sellers are definitely in control. Whole point, if I am going to sell, it's going to be break below our temporary support level. But the only thing is, I just feel like we are at the end of this trend, and yeah, the way price is moving, it's not. So if we get a closure below, ideally I don't really want to sell from here. That support level is holding though. Definitely holding. That's like this one. Yeah, that support level is definitely holding. Alright, cool. Alright, so our 1 hour candlestick is just closed. Let's see how that looks. Alright, so that's the push. Alright, so this is how it looks on a 1 hour time frame. Like I said, we could be coming to the end of that trend actually. Alright, let's just wait and see. Alright. If it does break below that level, then I'm probably going to sell. Alright, we're going to take a trade on that. Yes. Just need a closure below. Alright, I'm going to sell. Oh, I missed the drop. Actually missed the drop. Ah, that drop is crazy. Oh, this is painful. Oh, that candlestick just dropped so crazy. I've gone in for a sell, but the way the candlestick just dropped, so I got in just around here. So I'm already 20 pips in minus. It's a bit annoying though. That drop was disgusting. I'm going to hold this for around 100 pips. Oh, you know what? It can actually... Wow, that could be a little 300 pip move there, actually. I'm going to put this on my... so now we're in profit, which is a bit... I've got to wait for a pull. So I got into that. Alright, we're going to go for a sell on this. It's a bit crazy. But we're going to go for a sell because we closed down below our support level. That support level has been broken. We're going to hold this for around 100 pip. I'm not going to try to be too greedy. Let me look at this on a daily time frame. We can push down towards to these levels here. This is how it looks on a daily for our... Oh, wow. See, this is what I didn't want to see. It's annoying, man. This is what I don't want to see. 4017. 4107 is going to be our stop loss. I hate all that, man. That's going to be our stop loss. It's a big stop loss, though. Like 90 pips. It's annoying. But because we've broken below that level, it's just... one of those risky trades we're going to have to take. Let's see if price can stay below and hold below that support level. But hopefully it can touch it and come back down. But yeah, I'm in for a sell, man. The thing is, I got a funny feeling it's going to spike, touch, come down. Let's hopefully it can hold. That's just being very potential. It's being very potential. Didn't get the drop. Oh, this is going to hit stop loss. This is annoying. It's actually hit stop loss. That's so annoying. Oh, that is annoying. Alright, so we lost. That is a big trade we just lost there. Alright, it is what it is on that. Alright, so we just lost our first trade, which is annoying. Took us straight out, man. That was not even playing games. Alright, so I just lost my first trade, and this is what's the annoying thing price is going to do. That is disgusting. Yeah, that is annoying. Alright, let's just wait and see. See, it just took me out and come back down. This is going to be annoying. It literally just took me out and come back down. That's so annoying. Alright, we're going to go for another sell back onto it. Come on, man. Alright, we're going for another sell. We see how it works out this time. That is annoying. I lost my first trade live. You saw it. Now it might just drop. We can be potential and hold it for around 300 pips. But yeah, I've just gotten back in for another sell on gold. literally jumped in early and got swiped my stop loss, but we're back on this. So yeah, this is the right place I got in. The only problem is this stop loss is going to be a bit more risky now. Yeah, today is a bit of a crazy one. 4019. Alright, cool. Stop loss going to be at 4019, that is. It's going to be a lot here, man. So price even closed back above 4017 is going to be on. Actually, 4017 is going to be my stop loss because price even closed back above that resistant level. It's a joke. But oh look, this is getting some nice movement now. Listen, I'm annoyed. I'm annoyed because I lost my first trade for no reason. But look, there we go, back in. Hopefully we can break even on this. But yeah, I bought a new funded the PIP account. Literally, that's my first trade. Literally, that's disgusting. That first trade is going to annoy me so much. So this got a potential of a 200 pip move. So I'm actually going to hold this for around a 200 pips. Can even do 300, but that drop looked like it might be coming. But we're not far from it though. Alright, let's have. I do believe, honestly, price will touch this 3975 area. That's what it's going to head towards to. So if you are in gold now for a sell, remember I called it for 3974.69 area. You can hold it for that level there. That'd be very good. Good, interesting area to hold it in. Alright, so now we broke even on that trade. I'm going to move my stop loss to broke even on this trade. I'll show like that. So break even on this trade now. Oh Lord, this is going to come back up and spike. Don't you dare come back up and spike. Alright, cool. Oh, what is this trade doing? This is moving annoying. I just need you to shoot down, come down. We'll see how it goes anyway. It's all part of the trading. This is spike. Alright, so cool. We broke even then. Alright, this is annoying. Alright, so you know what? This don't look like it's ready to come down. Alright, so I closed my trade, broke even on this. Alright, so that trade just broke even. Yeah, that's annoying. Alright, so the next move sell point is going to be from my purple support level, you can see. So basically, price even comes out. So I'm just looking at sells right now for gold. So what I'm looking for is price to even rebounce off of my blue line, or if it breaks below that purple line, then we're going to go for a sell. So those two areas where I'm looking to sell from. If this closes like that, that might even be better to get in. Alright, so we're going to go in again for a sell, because that's closing as a shooting star, which is good. So let's go for a sell. Alright, back in for a sell. That's that first trade for no reason. So annoying. You know what? If this trade don't actually have that move, then I might just. If we lose this next trade, then we're gonna have to. Yeah, that might be it for me for today. If I'll be honest with you. This is what I want to see. Alright, so if I don't get the push, what I'm looking for, then I'm just gonna wait, see how price reacts around my orange EMA. Yeah, this is not looking good at all. It's definitely playing on that support level. Bit annoying. The price is actually... so 15 minutes gonna close soon. It's not looking good at all though. I think I'm gonna have to close out of this trade. So this candlestick will tell us the next if this this is okay or not. Oh, just under 3. I just need that closure below. Alright, cool. Waiting game. So we're literally just waiting. It's just a waiting game. Yeah, we're getting that nice move now. So that's the move I'm after. Yeah, patience. Patience is a killer in this game. So obviously that's the trade. But I'm actually not even happy today because obviously, yeah, I lost my first trade unnecessary. So this trade now we can break even. Move my stop loss back to break even. So if you watch me from the beginning of the live, this is my third trade. Hopefully now we're going to get the move that I'm after, that push towards the downside. So even if we can get the push towards the downside, my TP is going to be set at 39.74. So that's just under 300 pips move right now. So obviously, look, there's a 100 pip move there. I put a 2. Actually, I should close this now, actually, on my live account. Let me just see what's going on. All right, cool. I've got 2 accounts here running right now. So one of them I'm going to hold for 200 pips, definitely. Yeah. Oh, look at that move. That is a nice. This is the push I was after, people. This is the push I was after. Stop loss is going to be at. I'm glad I caught this on live. Hopefully it hits my TP. So my TP is at 39.74. Look at that push. This is what I'm talking about. I see these moves all the time in gold. It's just about finding the right opportunity to take them in. So there we go. Here, running that too. All right, so the count's back in. See, where's my... Says TP's at 39.75. Come on, give me that push. That's what I'm after. Then I'm out. Done for today. 39. All right. Hold on. Let me just double check. So look at that push towards the downside. So that is going to be... That's where my TP is. So anyone that's in for sell on gold, hold it to that level. Do you believe it should touch? Remember, not all the time it's going to touch. I'm not always accurate. But I hope that's why I'm targeting those areas there. So there we go. I might even close this trade in a minute. I'm almost at 200. This is perfect, you know. All right, let's see. Let's have some patience. Hopefully price don't push back up. Don't like that candlestick. Don't like that candlestick at all. Keep giving that push towards the downside. Let's just have patience. Patience, that's all I can say. See how this trade plays out. Oh, it's annoying. It is annoying. But we're getting that nice move. See, if I was trading London session, I probably would have caught this move here. That nice move towards the downside. But obviously, I didn't trade London session this morning. But definitely would have targeted that move here, which it did. But yeah. So yeah, I'm in the... Alright, so this trade's running free. I remember I took my first trade this morning, on this session, and I lost it. So basically right now, I could break even and close the trade, leave with a bit of profit. But we're going to hold and be patient today. Let's see what it does. If you was with me on Thursday, you would have saw I was in 200 pips profit and let the trade go against me and left with nothing. But that's the way I trade. That's the way I like to trade. So, cool running. Perfect. Now we're getting that move back towards the downside. So I'm going to show you, look, that's what the count's at now. I bought this count this morning. Look, that's my first trade that I lost. Yeah. And the one that broke even. So back right now, you see. Profit. Let's just hold this trade and hold out, man. You know what? On my live account, so obviously this is my IC market account as well. I'm showing you that account I trade like 0.06 small lot sizes. I'm showing you people that even with £200, you can still invest in the market and make like £50 a week. But those are people with low income, like literally always asking me, can you trade? Best Ali invites me. Ali, DM me, message me. We can co-host next time. But yeah, just give me a message. We'll definitely hope to get that on the way. Alright, cool. So look, now this trade can even just go against me. I should even close, really and truly. So, no. Alright. Just be a bit more patient, man. Let me see what it's doing on the other time frames. That 5 minute don't look good. So look, we've got the breakdown below our purple support level, what I was after. 15 minutes, 1 hour. Can we get the push to touch here? I do believe we can touch this area though, honestly. Alright, let's just see how it goes. But it's not looking good on a 1 minute time frame. Hopefully just keep pushing towards the downside. We just gotta be patient. But if it closes above, obviously my red EMA here, price does close above it, then I'm probably gonna get out. That means the trade wants to turn back around. Oh, cool. Let's just wait and see. Just wait and see. It's a waiting game. That is the nice move we want. That is the nice move. Perfect. This candlestick closes in 10 seconds. Let's see one more. Still a long way though, man. £4 for no reason. Not sure. It's a waiting game. Literally is a waiting game, people. Don't forget, join me every day, Monday to Thursday at 2 p.m. GMT, London time. Yeah, we're trading gold every day. Literally trading gold every day. Not every day I'm gonna get these opportunities, market setups, but within that hour time frame, hopefully, I can show you what I see. This is perfect. Right, almost at 200 pips, and yeah. Ooh, that is a big jump. That's a joke. That's what I don't want to see. That there is disgusting. That's what you don't want to see. That is this. Yeah, that's what I don't want to see. Buyers are really trying to get in some control here. Momentum. Let's leave you something than nothing, bro. Alright, cool. Let's see if this trade can hold. We're just waiting. Alright, cool. So people, yeah, still just waiting to see how this trade goes. Just got a waiting game now. Invites you to co-host. Listen, Kalati, I don't know if I'm saying your name properly, but yeah, DM me, message me, and we can co-host next time. But yeah, just DM me, please. We'll get that on the go for next time. It's telling me to re-enter. Yeah, normally I would, bro, but yeah, at the moment I'm just playing it cool. So still there, still running. We're gonna target this 3974 area. It's price, so now this is where I'm gonna get out. If price actually breaks this level here, close back above, my red EMA changes to green, then yeah, I'm gonna get out, close this trade. But I did thought we was gonna touch this area here today. But I just gotta be patient. Let's just wait and see if it will. But I'm upset about the first trade that I took when the live session started. Literally lost that trade for no reason. Literally, price literally took out my stop loss and closed back down below. Alright, so this is showing. Alright, cool. So this is where we might need to start looking to get out of this trade. Might have to start looking at to exit this trade. Did it even hit the 200 pip mark? No, it just missed it as well. That was just shy of 200 pips. Gotta stay strong. Let's see how this price holds. Look, it's holding though. That's good. That's good. Price is holding. Yeah, CT Charlie. Yeah, I know gold is not a joke. Trust me. Thank you for your gift as well, CT Charlie. Big up. All telling me re-enter what lot you're running. I'm running a 2.5 lot size. CT Charlie, big up. So apologies. Obviously want to. Oh right. So I hate reading messages as well at the same time because I'm. Alright. So the market now. Alright. So now I'm gonna close this trade. I'm gonna get out. Close this trade. Yeah, I'm gonna close this trade. Or people, should I just let it? Should I be brave and see if it's gonna hit my break even? Alright, so what now is, so let me tell you, so I'm gonna close this trade, and what I'm looking for now is price to have a reversal and close back down below this blue line if I was to gonna re-enter for a sell. So I'm gonna close this trade out. So right, remember this level here, so because I'm gonna end this live in a minute, but short, we'll be looking at areas like if it closes below, remember I said it, the 3995 area, then we look to resell again. But at the moment, price could be changing ready to go towards the upside. But like I said, it's all a waiting game. Alright, people, so that's it. That's the end of the stream. Don't forget, join me again tomorrow at 2 p.m. Yeah, I took 3 trades actually. Lost one, broke even, and closed early on the third one. So yeah, we didn't actually hit our TP today. Trying to catch around, yeah, this 3974 area. We didn't catch it, but there we go. Trade's gone back up, going back against me. Oh, you know what? We can actually might re-enter just off of here, actually. Hold on. This candlestick closes as a shooting star. We're going to re-enter for us, actually. We have to re-enter. That's good. Yeah. All right. We're going to actually re-enter here. That's not bad. That's a good pullback. All right, cool. All right, cool, people. End the stream. I'll see you in the next one. See you tomorrow, Again, back at 2 p.m. Literally just sold, just in case to let you know, I just sold gold again. Gonna hold this one for around 100 pips. So yeah, just sold gold again. Stop loss is quite big. I hate these stop losses, man. Cool. Alright, so see you again tomorrow at 2 p.m.